Gardener allegedly caught fleeing with TV from uptown apartment. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A gardener who is accused of breaking into an apartment building in Pines Boulevard, Karachi in St. Andrew on Thursday, March 10 is to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Wednesday, March 23rd. The accused, 36-year-old Errol Michael, otherwise called Kevin, of Russell Road, Kingston 13. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that at about 1 p.m., Michael was spotted inside an apartment. A security response team was alerted and Michael was allegedly intercepted while fleeing with a television set. He allegedly dropped the television and ran but was pursued and nabbed by the security officers. The police were alerted and the suspect was handed over to them. He was subsequently charged with the offense of house breaking, larceny, and malicious destruction of property. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.